Hi everyone, this is my unboxing of the BRAINWAVZ Coil, which is a new model, and in my opinion it's very interesting because it uses a single balanced armature, which isn't a really mainstream choice. Usually we find single dynamic drivers, hybrid configurations, multi-balanced armatures, but single balanced armatures are really not so mainstream as a choice. If I had to mention other models, I think of the FIO FA1, which are pretty new, and Campfire Audio Comet, but I cannot mention other models, so they are very few, I think. Okay, so this is the package. Okay, this is the package itself. I think it's pretty good looking because it's clean, it's classy, and it's modern too. So we can find some accessories information like a carrying case, a velcro cable tie, a short clip, some comply phone tips, which are original complies, so it's glad to see them here, and standard silicone tips. Okay, so this is the package. Let's try to open it. It doesn't seem so easy. Okay, so I'll maybe do it off camera because I really don't want to break it. Okay, it's a beautiful package, but it's very hard to open it. So okay, so I have to admit it was very hard to open this box because it was very grippy. So it's been a while, but I'm here. This has been removed, so I'll leave you right here, and we can see this warranty I don't know, engraving on the box, which opens like a book. And here we find the carrying case with every accessory inside. Here some information for the warranty. These are some information about the BRAINWAVZ and some social media. Okay, but the most important thing is this one. It's a pretty good looking box, pretty good presentation too. Okay, this little carrying case is very modern, very solid. It's hard, much harder than my other hard case, which are a little softer. Okay, and this color is beautiful. So here we have our monitors. Wow. Okay, first let's see the accessories. So we have a lot of silicone tips, actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of silicone tips, and another pair is already on the earphones. Then we have the complies in their classic box, and they are in red. It's a beautiful touch because usually you find the classic gray, dark gray, I believe, color, and this red is really beautiful. You can still find this color on the Comply website, but it's not usual to find it inside the case of an earphone. So this is maybe some info, some user guide. I don't think I need a user guide for a pair of earphones, but it's glad to see it. And you have the classic safety guidelines, which I did find on other earphones too, and these are the information on how to wear the IEMs. So a pretty good box. But oh, the clip with the BRAINWAVZ logo. Okay, it's a standard clip. Okay, this is the first BRAINWAVZ that I try, so I don't have a way to make a comparison, but I have to say this feels like a tool. This already feels like a tool, and I didn't try it yet. Okay, this cable feels like the Shure cable, and for me it's a compliment, because you can't dislike the quality of Shure cables. You can dislike the look, the rubbery feel, but not the quality. So this is a great cable. This is the best way to avoid breakings, because this isn't an L plug jack, but it's not a straight jack too. It's a 45 degrees one with a long strain relief, and it's perfect. So I know these buds actually are 3D printed. So this shape, which is very better looking in reality than in photos, I have to say, it's very beautiful now that I can see the earphones themselves. They are 3D printed, so it's a new way to kind of shape the buds to better fit you and to have more stability. So we can see it's all plastic with a maybe a metal filter here. We can barely see the internals, which are just an armature and some contacts. But okay, it's MMCX, like a standard. It's pretty good looking. Let's see how long is this cable. So okay, this is very similar to the Shure Y split and the advanced Y split 2, and it's very beautiful. It has a chin slider. It's beautiful to me because I will use it as a tool, because I am a musician. If you just listen to music, this could be ugly, but you have to see it through the eyes of a musician, I believe, to understand. So that's it. See you.